What if I told you there's an underwater wonderland? A place so massive it houses over 100,000 sea creatures and costs more than $1 million to maintain each year. Welcome to the world's largest aquarium. Today, we're diving deep into this engineering marvel, exploring its jaw-dropping features, and uncovering how much it actually costs to keep this aquatic paradise running. Let's go. Nestled in the heart of city location, this aquarium is no ordinary fish tank. Colossal structure with over 10 million gallons of water, making it the largest in the world. From the outside, it looks like a futuristic fortress, but inside, it's a whole new world. Step inside, and you're instantly surrounded by the sights and sounds of the ocean. This place is home to some of the planet's most fascinating marine life, including whale sharks, manta rays, and even rare sea turtles. But it's not just about the creatures. This aquarium is also a work of art. Its 360-degree underwater tunnels make you feel like you're walking through the ocean itself. But have you ever wondered what it takes to keep an aquarium of this size running? Behind the scenes, there's a small army of marine biologists, engineers, and divers working 24/7. The filtration system? It's no joke. This state-of-the-art setup ensures every drop of water stays crystal clear, for a whopping $200,000 a month in maintenance. The aquarium's biggest stars, like these massive whale sharks, don't come cheap either. Feeding them alone costs $500 a day, and their custom transportation to the facility? That ran into the millions of dollars. Then there's the lighting, heating, and constant care for thousands of delicate corals. Add it all up, and this place is burning through a cool $1 million annually just to keep everything running smoothly. But for visitors, it's all worth it. Whether you're gazing at the graceful dance of jellyfish, walking through the shark tunnel, or getting up close with playful otters, the experience is unforgettable. Tickets start at just insert price, making it accessible to millions of people each year. So there you have it. The world's largest aquarium is more than just a massive fish tank. It's a testament to human creativity and a celebration of the wonders of the ocean. Would you spend $1 million a year to maintain something this incredible? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more amazing content like this. Until next time, keep exploring.